Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. 1974 Chevy Vega wagon. Price $1,000 to $1,500. Listed just 3 days ago in Maryville, Missouri. This classic 1974 Chevy Vega wagon is a rare find for vintage car lovers. With its iconic long roof design and classic American styling, the Vega wagon offers a unique blend of utility and charm. The body is in solid condition for its age, showing honest wear with tons of character. Whether you're looking to restore, cruise, or start a custom project, this wagon is a great foundation. It's a head-turner that brings back true 70s vibes. These cars are becoming increasingly harder to find, especially in wagon form. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Reach out now and make it yours before it's gone. Number 2. 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price $1,300. Listed just a day ago in Independence, Missouri, this 1993 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is an iconic muscle car ready for a new chapter. Driven 200,000 miles, it still holds the aggressive stance and powerful spirit that made the Z/28 a legend. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this car offers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The bold lines, sporty profile, and unmistakable 90s Camaro attitude make it a standout on the street or track. Ideal for enthusiasts looking for a project, a budget-friendly classic, or simply a piece of American performance history. Whether you're restoring, customizing, or cruising, this Z/28 has potential written all over it. Don't let it slip away. Reach out today and take the wheel of a true classic. Number 3. 1988 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D. Price $2,800. Listed a week ago in Kansas City, Missouri, this 1988 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D is a timeless blend of elegance and comfort. With only 98,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, it's a smooth cruiser with plenty of life left. The Riviera's signature design, with its sleek lines and upscale touches, still turns heads today. This classic luxury coupe offers a spacious interior, refined ride quality, and that unmistakable late 80s charm. Whether you're a collector, daily driver enthusiast, or someone seeking a stylish weekend car, this Riviera delivers great value. It's getting harder to find these in clean, original condition, especially with such reasonable mileage. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Contact today and make it yours before it's gone. Number 4. 1979 Lincoln Town Car Coupe. Price $8,995. Listed 2 weeks ago by a dealership in Linden, Kansas, this 1979 Lincoln Town Car Coupe is a stunning symbol of American luxury. With only 71,000 miles on the clock and an automatic transmission, this classic rides as smooth as it looks. Known for its massive size, bold styling, and plush interior, the Town Car delivers unmatched comfort and presence. This coupe version is especially rare, making it a true standout among late 70s classics. Whether you're a serious collector or just someone who appreciates vintage craftsmanship, this Lincoln is a must-see. It's ideal for car shows, Sunday drives, or simply turning heads wherever you go. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of luxury history. Contact the dealership today and make it yours. Number 5. 1968 Ford LTD 4-door. Price $7,500 to $8,000. Listed 5 weeks ago in Baldwin City, Kansas, this 1968 Ford LTD 4-door is a classic full-size sedan with timeless appeal. With its bold front grille, long body lines, and vintage chrome details, it captures the essence of late 60s American style. Whether you're cruising through town or showcasing it at car meets, this LTD delivers both presence and comfort. The spacious interior makes it perfect for family drives or retro road trips, and it's getting harder to find in this condition. A great option for collectors, hobbyists, or anyone who appreciates Detroit's golden era of design. Well preserved and ready for the next chapter, this LTD is waiting for a new owner to take the wheel. Don't wait. Classics like this don't last long. Number 6. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2D. Price, $2,500. Listed just 2 days ago in Shawnee, Kansas, this 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2D is a sleek drop-top ready for sunny drives and open road cruising. With 266,600 miles and an automatic transmission, this car has been driven and enjoyed, but still holds the bold spirit of the early 2000s muscle era. The convertible top adds serious fun factor, perfect for summer days or weekend escapes. Despite its mileage, this Camaro retains its iconic styling, aggressive stance, and undeniable road presence. Ideal for someone looking to own a sporty classic at an affordable price, or for a fun project car with plenty of potential. Turn heads, feel the wind, and enjoy the ride. This Camaro is waiting for its next chapter. Don't miss out. Number 7. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price, $3,000. Listed 2 days ago in Kansas City, Missouri, this 2010 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D blends modern performance with classic muscle car styling. With 190,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it's been driven but still delivers the power and presence you'd expect from a true Camaro. The RS package adds sporty touches like upgraded wheels, aggressive styling, and signature halo headlights. This coupe turns heads with its bold design and low stance, offering a thrilling driving experience at an affordable price. Perfect for daily driving, weekend cruising, or a light project for enthusiasts. If you've been wanting to own a piece of modern muscle without breaking the bank, this is your chance. Contact now and bring home this RS legend before someone else does. Number 8. 1986 Ford Mustang Convertible 2D. Price, $4,500. Listed 2 weeks ago in Independence, Kansas, this 1986 Ford Mustang Convertible 2D is a true classic from the Fox body era. With 116,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it's a solid cruiser that captures the spirit of mid-80s American performance. Drop the top and enjoy the open-air freedom in this sporty icon, perfect for summer drives or weekend getaways. The Mustang's aggressive styling, lightweight build, and strong enthusiast following make it a great addition to any collection or a fun entry into the world of vintage cars. Whether you're looking to restore, modify, or simply enjoy as is, this convertible has plenty of potential. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of Mustang history. Contact today and make this classic yours. Number 9. 1966 Ford LTD. Price, $26,500. An absolute American classic, the 1966 Ford LTD turns heads with its timeless body lines and unmistakable vintage charm. Driven only 45,700 miles, this well-preserved beauty offers a smooth ride, whisper-quiet cabin, and a V8 engine that delivers power with elegance. The chrome details still shine like new. The interior retains its classic styling, and everything works just as it should. Whether you're a collector or simply love the feel of old-school cruising, This LTD brings back the golden era of driving. Listed 6 weeks ago in Maryville, Missouri, it's a rare opportunity to own a piece of history that's getting harder to find in this condition. Don't miss your chance to bring this vintage gem home where it belongs. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2D. Price $13,000. Listed 6 days ago in Overland Park, Kansas, this 1986 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 2D is the perfect blend of performance and style. With only 60,000 miles on the clock, this iconic American sports car offers incredible value for Corvette enthusiasts and collectors alike. The sleek, low-slung design, combined with the thrill of open-air driving, makes it a true driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find the legendary V8 engine, delivering the power and sound you expect from a Corvette. Whether you're cruising the streets or showing it off at car events, this convertible is sure to turn heads. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Contact today and make this Corvette yours before it's gone. Number 11. 1971 Ford Torino GT. Price $4,500. Located in Garnett, Kansas, this 1971 Ford Torino GT is a powerful and stylish classic muscle car. With only 33,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, it's a well-preserved example of early 70s performance. The Torino GT's bold design, featuring a long hood, aggressive stance, and sleek lines, captures the essence of American muscle. Under the hood, you'll find plenty of power to enjoy the open road. Whether you're a collector, restoration enthusiast, or just want to relive the glory days of muscle cars, this Torino GT offers a great opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Don't let this one slip by. Contact today and make it yours. Number 12. 1965 Ford Mustang. Price $9,500 to $11,000. Located in Wheatland, Missouri, this 1965 Ford Mustang is a fantastic project car for any enthusiast looking to restore an iconic classic. With some assembly required, this Mustang offers the perfect foundation for a full restoration or customization. A true piece of automotive history, this model retains its legendary style with the classic pony car design, recognizable front grille, and sleek lines. Whether you're a seasoned builder or looking for a restoration challenge, this Mustang is ready to be brought back to life. The price range reflects its condition and the work needed, making it an excellent value for a classic car enthusiast. Don't miss the chance to own this piece of automotive legacy. Contact today to start your Mustang project. Number 13. 1970 Pontiac Trans Am. Price $7,500. Located in Trenton, Missouri, this 1970 Pontiac Trans Am is a true American muscle car with an undeniable presence. With 111,111 miles and an automatic transmission, this classic is ready for its next owner to restore or enjoy as is. The bold styling, including the signature hood scoop and iconic Trans Am decals, makes this car a standout in any collection. Known for its performance and aggressive design, the 1970 Trans Am is a collector's dream. Whether you plan to fully restore it or keep it as a project, it offers incredible potential. Don't miss out on the chance to own one of Pontiac's most legendary models. Contact today and make it yours. Number 14. 1964 Ford 500 Fairlane. Price, $12,500. Located in Plattsburgh, Missouri, this 1964 Ford 500 Fairlane is a beautifully preserved classic that combines vintage style with solid performance. With 98,000 miles, this classic sedan still runs strong and has the timeless design that made the Fairlane so iconic. The clean lines, chrome accents, and spacious interior make it a great addition for collectors or anyone who appreciates American muscle from the 60s. Whether you're looking to restore it to its original glory or enjoy it as a fun cruiser, this Fairlane offers great potential. Don't miss your chance to own this classic piece of Ford history. Contact today and make it yours. Number 15. 1972 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D. Price, $13,000. Located in Lowry City, Missouri, this 1972 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D is a charming vintage ride with a lot of character. With 123,456 miles and an automatic transmission, this sedan is perfect for those who appreciate classic American cars. The sleek exterior, combined with the spacious interior, offers a smooth and comfortable ride, making it an ideal choice for collectors or anyone looking for a stylish cruiser. The Chevrolet brand's reliable performance, even at this age, makes it a solid option for restoration or everyday driving. This well-maintained classic is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of Chevrolet history. Contact today to make it yours. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.